Mommy, make the sound since Uncle Adam's at work, so we can't go on a ride. Yeah. Yeah, you're so cute. Drive the tractor. Let's go on a ride. Take Mama on a ride. You ready? I'll stand up here. Oh, okay, ready? Take Mommy on a ride. Let's go. He's like, what? Well, Adam's not here, buddy. I'm sorry. We just have to pretend. Can we pretend? Tractors, oh tractors. They're so much fun. Is that what you're trying to do? Sing the tractor song. Tractors, oh tractors. They're so much fun. Yeah? Yeah. Tractors work all day. Tractors work all night. Yeah. Gotta bale that hay. Gotta bale it tight. Yeah? That song? Oh, tractors, they're so much fun. Tractors, oh, tractors, they get the job done. Yeah? They can be different colors. Green, red, or blue. Or blue. Or rusty orange. I wish I could drive one. I wish I could too. Yeah? That's a Blippi song. You like Blippi so much, don't ya? Blippi. Can you say Blippi? Blippi. Blippi. Yeah, look at your smile. Blippi. You're so cute. Mama loves you. Yes, I do. So intense. Look at you doing that farm work. Yeah. Hi. Hi. When I was a little girl, my grandfather used to take us for rides on the tractor out to the orchard. That's where Mommy spent most of her summers. Harvesting the cherries. 7,000 trees. Lots of fun. No, it was a lot of work. And at least we were with family. Ooh. Mommy was on both crews. I was on the Sweet Cherry crew and the Pie Cherry crew. The Seeker crew. Uncle Adam, that's where he learned to drive the tractor so well. And then in 99, we sold the orchard, Grandpa and Grandma. There were too many accidents. Yeah. But we still have the tractors to help us with our big hill. All 3 acres. Our big, wintry wonderland hill. Yeah. You're so silly. Careful now, don't fall. You would have loved to be born in that era. grandpa, he worked at the farm his whole life, along with his brothers and sisters. And there's like 200 peach trees and like apple trees. I can't remember how many. I think 10 apple trees, but most of it was cherries. And there was 2,000 sweet cherries. And the rest were pie cherries, which they make into maraschino cherries. They suck out all the cherry and they fill it with sugar and dye and gelatin. And yeah. But you get more money if the sweet cherries have stems on them, because everyone likes a cherry stem. Are you ready to get down? You ready for nap? You want Papa?
Papa.
Time for a bottle. Time for a bottle. Time for a bottle. Ready? All right, Mommy, come get you.